Hi everyone, today on the menu is egg curry with potatoes, tangy, spicy and delicious. Let's start with the egg curry. For the base, we'll need 2-inch size of ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and 3 green chillies. All 3 of this we will grind together into a paste. We'll also need 1 large onion and 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric. If you don't have fresh turmeric, you can use half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We also need 2 large tomatoes. This also we'll grind into a smooth paste. So these are the ingredients that we'll grind. These 3 we'll grind together, onion and turmeric, and this separately. 6 eggs hard boiled for 10 minutes. We'll also need 4 medium sizes of potato cut into half. We'll put it in a bowl of water and keep it aside. This is around half tablespoon of tamarind, which I'm going to soak in hot water. You can also use 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste. Allow the water to cool down and just with your hand squeeze and try to separate the fibers, and then you'll have the tamarind water. Alright, let's start with the prep first. We'll grind the ginger, garlic and green chilies first. All prepped for our egg curry. Everything is ready. Let's get to the cooking. Heat a wide pan on a medium-high flame. Add 1 tablespoon of Indian sesame seed oil, around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. We'll add in our eggs. Fry for a few minutes till we get a nice crispy coating on the outside. So keep stirring the eggs so that it fries from all sides. So just 1 more minute and then we'll take it out. We'll add half a cup of oil, 10 to 12 seeds of fenugreek, 2 whole chilies that I'll tear, dried red chilies, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. Now we add our onion and turmeric paste. And we let it cook for 4 minutes. Let's add in our ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Give it all a good mix and saute this for another 5 minutes. Add in the tomato puree. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. At this point, if you're using turmeric powder, you'll use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So give it all a good mix. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the oil has separated. We can see the oil is separated now. Let's give it a good mix. We'll add in our potatoes. We'll add in some salt. Give it a good mix. We add in 2 cups of hot water. Give it a good mix. It depends on what kind of gravy you want. If you want too thick, then maybe add a little less water. But this is a curry, so we need at least 2 cups of water. We'll wait for it to come to a boil, and in the meantime we'll add some coriander stems. So our gravy is starting to boil now. We'll cover and cook this on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. Potatoes are cooked now. Let's add in our eggs. We'll add in our tamarind water. So 4 tablespoons of tamarind water. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. It's time, 5 minutes over, and now we turn off the flame and garnish this gorgeous curry with some fresh coriander leaves and green chilies. Do not give this recipe a miss. It's bursting with flavor It's spicy, it's tangy, it's comfort food. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you with another great recipe. Bye bye.